If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey error when submitting a survey, don't worry. In most cases, this is a simple issue you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons SurveyMonkey won't let you submit, along with the exact steps to fix it fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, check the required questions carefully. SurveyMonkey often blocks submission if even one mandatory question marked with an asterisk hasn't been answered. So scroll through the entire survey and make sure every required field is completed. Sometimes the issue is as simple as missing a checkbox, a rating, or a text response on a question you may have overlooked. If you're not sure, go back through each page one by one and look specifically for those starred questions, because that is the most common reason for a submission error. Next, try refreshing carefully. Only do this if you're confident your answers have been saved. If the survey is still open and you haven't submitted yet, a refresh could clear unsaved work in some cases. But if SurveyMonkey has saved your progress, refreshing the page or going back and trying to submit again can sometimes clear a temporary glitch. If the survey supports moving back and forth between pages, return to the last page, review your answers, and submit again. Now, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the submission process and cause an error even when the survey itself is filled out correctly. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If pages are loading slowly or disconnecting, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to a more reliable connection. Sometimes simply moving closer to your router or reconnecting to your network is enough to solve the issue. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can interfere with websites like SurveyMonkey and cause forms to fail when submitting. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache and cookies. After that, fully close your browser and open it again before trying the survey one more time. This step often fixes issues caused by old page data or session conflicts. Another great fix is to use Incognito Mode. Open a private browsing window, then open the survey again and try filling it out from scratch. Incognito mode helps bypass problems caused by extensions, saved cookies, or browser data that may be affecting the submission. If the survey works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your normal browser session rather than SurveyMonkey itself. If it still won't submit, try a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. If you're on a computer, try your phone instead. If you're on mobile, try a laptop or desktop. This helps you quickly determine whether the issue is browser-specific, device-specific, or related to the survey server. A different browser often solves problems caused by compatibility issues or extensions. Finally, if nothing else works, wait and try again later. Sometimes the issue is on SurveyMonkey's end, such as a temporary server problem or maintenance event. In that case, there may be nothing wrong with your device at all. Give it some time, then return and submit the survey again later. Many times, the problem resolves automatically without any further action. So to recap, check all required questions, refresh carefully, verify your internet connection, clear cache and cookies, try incognito mode, and test another browser or device. If the issue is a temporary server problem, waiting is often the final fix. If this video helped you solve the SurveyMonkey error submitting survey issue, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck submitting your survey.